Finally, this playlist now becomes my favorite playlist. Now it's called Bad Discovery Questions, where every month we go through a bad discovery question that I have seen myself asking, or I saw other people start doing this, and I'm just like, oh my god, can you please stop? Can you just don't do this at all, or do it in a different way? And today we're going to be focusing on what would be the consequence of. The problem is in this question is the word consequence, because it feels templated. And it can be impact, goals, do you want to make more money? Asking questions that seem ingenuine because they look like taken straight out of the sales training. Now, the problem with the sales trainings is because when you're following the script doesn't tell you what kind of tonality you should use, the script doesn't tell you when you should ask those questions, and being not a bad question in itself, let's say, what would be the consequences if you don't buy this right now? It's not a bad question, but the buyer will know what you're doing, and they can get pissed off. It's gonna sound weird because that's gonna be ingenuine. This is the main problem about these questions. So any questions that seem a little bit naive and stupid to you internally before asking them, don't ask them, because your buyer, your prospect, will feel the same. It will backfire at you. The best thing that you can do, if you don't know, like if you feel that, okay, I've been asking questions like this that are like, that sound really stupid, or that are very obvious, or just require like an answer from the prospect, like, do you want to make more money? Well, yeah, of course I do. That's almost always true and for all the people. Just don't ask them, and instead of them, try asking something about, try asking something about the pain, because your end goal in any kind of discovery is finding the pain, validating it, understanding how much does it cost them. Do they want to solve it? Do they have meanings to solve it right now? And do they want to do it right now? That's basically it. That's the purpose of your discovery. And that's your real estate. So if you have some, let's say you have a limit of 5-10 questions that you can ask in the call without getting the prospect pissed off, because if you just go and you start asking them bad questions, well, they're not going to care about you, they're not going to care about your product. The only thing that they would want to do is to tell you, yeah, thank you so much, we'll think about this and we'll message you or we will email you, and that's it. That was my daily dose of information and motivation for you. Check out all the links about this playlist, check out the other bad discovery questions, check out different videos that we have posted this month and the last couple of months on the channel. There's been a lot of information and improvement in where I'm changing the content. So check out there, message me if you want to talk about something, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.